You are welcome. After all observation of the just concluded Nigeria general election, I came to this conclusion. And today, I have got this note titled, "We have got a country, Nigeria, and not Sobibor." Sobibor was a Nazi German extermination camp built and operated by the SS during the World War II within the semi-colonial territory of German government of the occupied Second Polish Republic. Sobibor was governed by Iron Fist, hardcore, fearsome-looking guerrilla Nazi German soldiers. These Nazi Germans were born and trained to kill. Sobibor was governed by bullets and guns. Sobibor was governed by machine guns, rockets, and grenades. Sobibor was governed by snipers and landmines. But the gravest of all these was that Sobibor had no love. Sobibor was engulfed in hate and racial annihilation of a people, right in the old world of the European. Sobibor was a racial extermination camp. So I tell you today, the 27th day of February 2019, that we have got a country, Nigeria, and not Sobibor. That anyone who acts in the spirit of the Nazi German of Sobibor must understand this true story. That the spirits of the oppressed are rising higher by the day. And once the limits are broken, there shall be no mountain high that shall be insurmountable to jump. There shall be no guns and bullets. There shall be no rockets and grenades. There shall be no landmine that shall stop them. They are going to fight until they are well assured they can live as free people. Let me make this clear to you all today. All of you that hate the unification of Nigeria and the good Nigerian people. Let me make it clear to you all that are taking the peace. Let me make it clear to you all that is overriding on the people's rights and will. If Sobibor will fall, nothing again shall be impossible in the eyes of he who seek not to be oppressed. We are getting closer to the edge. We are getting closer to the cliff. We are getting closer to the limit, if you will understand. If conducting a general election means deploying armies to kill in the south of Nigeria, if conducting a general election means deploying armies to kill in the southeast of Nigeria, deploying armies to kill in the southwest of Nigeria and in the middle belt, deploying armies to arrest and invade people's privacy without due process. That today Buba Galadima is in detention in an unknown location for being a patriot who has exercised his right to air his own opinion in his own country. But tell me, how can an old, vibrant man not be respected and bundled away from his own home to an unknown location if we are not in Sobibor? We are nothing short of the Nazi German extermination camp. We can be robbed any time of the day. We can be whisked away any time of the day. We can be annihilated any time of the day by the Nigerian army. We are in Sobibor. We are in Sobibor, and I am so worried today. I am so worried about what is going to happen next. This Nigerian government of the APC-led administration must understand. This government must understand our stand. That we stand as one Nigeria and as Nigerians. We stand as one state. We stand as one country. And we say one state alone in the 37 states of Nigeria, including the federal territory, can never determine our fate. One state alone cannot determine our fate. One state alone cannot determine our future in the government. Never again. For by so, you make Nigeria a body to Nigerians. For I am truly bored today. I am truly bored as a Nigerian, and I have got nowhere else to turn. Like I am in Sobibor today, I cannot have my wish, and I cannot have my will. The People's Democratic Party, the PDP, have got results too from the just concluded general election of the 23rd day of February 2019, but without the corrupt INEC. And what we seek from you all Nigerians is that we should stand for true justice and fair play as we go on this path of the law, as we go on this path of the tribunal, as we go on this path of the court. For if you as a Nigerian would compromise this fact, then you are without doubt in Sobibor. If you will compromise the truth, you are without doubt in Sobibor. And it is a matter of time. But the ease of Sobibor will surely come to you. It is a matter of time. The ease of Sobibor will surely get to your doorstep if you do not now stand with the truth. But before I go today, I would like to encourage every one of us that is a Nigerian, the oppressors and the oppressed, the lawmakers, those that live under the laws, and those that are law breakers, the believed above the laws, the injured Nigerians, the homeless Nigerians, the poor Nigerians and the desperate Nigerians, the uneducated Nigerians, the educated Nigerians, the rich Nigerians, and the traditional rulers in Nigeria, and all of that are Nigerians. Let us choose this path of true justice for everyone that is a Nigerian, irrespective of the location that you were born. Let us choose this path of true justice for everyone that is a Nigerian. From Delta State to Kano, let us choose this path of true justice. And to Kaduna, to Maiduguri, to Bayelsa, Edo, to Sokoto, and every other state of the Federation of Nigeria, let no one man sees his brother as less equal in Nigeria. And let no one state believe it shall determine the fate of every other state in Nigeria. Let no one man or one state think of its other neighbors as that, like that. The oppressed in Sobibor, they that were unarmed, prisoners in Sobibor, were able to gain their freedom one day, breaking down walls, pulling down barbed wires, disarming the iron fist, fearsome Nazi German soldiers, taking bullets in their hearts and in their skulls, stepping on landmines and breaking the barriers of fears. Yes, they were able to break through. That today they can truly say they are free people. Sobibor is no more. Thank you. I humbly thank you all as we move towards this path of true justice for all that is in Nigeria, for all man. For in the court of law, we hope to get justice. In the court of law, we hope that true justice will abide. Thank you. I humbly thank you all. My name humbly remain Mr. Bright Owenosagi. We have chosen this path and we will not wax cold. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.